In D2L, you can collect file submissions from students through Dropboxes. When it comes time to grade student submissions, D2L has a toolset built into Dropboxes that allows you to annotate and directly comment on student work. Your students can see your annotations when they return to D2L to view the feedback you've left for their submission. In this video, I'll show you the basics of this toolset and what students can expect to see if you use these tools in your class. For demonstration purposes, let's say I have a Dropbox set up for an assignment in my class, and at least some of my students have handed in, or rather uploaded, their file submissions. These are most commonly .docx or .pdf files. The Annotations toolset is on by default in new Dropboxes. I can access the Dropbox submission evaluation screen either in the Dropbox area or in Content. Here in Content, I click the name of the Dropbox to see its topic screen. Scroll to the bottom and choose the Completion Summary. This gives me a list of my students and shows me whether or not they've uploaded anything to the Dropbox. If I click on a student's name, it'll bring up the evaluation screen for their submission. Here, if the file doesn't automatically open in the viewer, I just click the name of the file. So I see a set of annotation tools across the top right away. But probably the simplest and most commonly used features will become available by highlighting a portion of the text. I just click and drag over a particular passage. As soon as I release the mouse button, it's going to give me a little context menu with some buttons. With each of these buttons, I can highlight the text. I can put a strike through over text, and I've got two separate choices for underlining. These may be all you really wish to use on student papers, and they certainly are quick. But in the toolbar above, there are other options as well. Now, I'm not going to run through every tool. You can experiment with these if you like, but I'll show a few examples of the most useful tools. If I click the comment icon, I can add a comment in a bubble or perhaps like a post-it note on top of the page. This works the same as in Microsoft Word, Google Docs, or Adobe Acrobat Reader. I can place the comment anywhere on screen and type in the message. I can click and drag the comment around to move it. There's a pen, or rather a marker tool, that allows me to draw directly on the file, and I have a variety of different colors, tip sizes, and transparencies that I could use. I can also draw lines, but most useful here may be converting these to arrows. I'll click the drop-down menu to the far right and choose an arrowhead. And then I just click and drag and release to add arrows to the file. And I can click the dot on either end of an arrow to move it around, stretch it as needed. Once I've applied a mark using a particular tool, D2L defaults back to the selector cursor for selecting text. But if I click, for example, the commenting tool again, it will remember the last setting I chose. So for example, if instead of using the default text bubble, I decided to choose another icon, the next time I click the commenting icon, it'll use that non-default icon that I chose previously. So too with other tools. If I use the line tool again, it's going to choose the arrow instead of simply a line. Lastly, it can be helpful to adjust what you are seeing on screen. The simplest view adjustment is a Fit Page tool available by clicking this square icon toward the center top. You have a couple of different options for how you want to see the current page you're looking at. On the far left, I can also activate a thumbnails bar, which shows me the different pages in the file. And on the far right, I can increase the viewer to maximum size on my screen, which is really helpful. I just click the button again to return to the smaller viewer, so I get the sidebar to add overall feedback and score. Now, none of what I've created here is visible to students until I publish the file. So I'm going to add a grade score and maybe some overall feedback text. If I click Save Draft, that means that D2L will save all of this, but will not publish it to students. Often professors find that helpful when they're grading multiple assignments from multiple students and wish to publish all of the results all at once. In this case, I'll click Publish, and now my student will be able to see her score, overall feedback, and she will be able to see the annotations that I've put on top of the file as well. One last thing. I'll click Download to save a local copy of this file as a PDF on my hard drive. That way, if a student visits my office with a question about feedback that I provided, I can access that file fairly quickly without having to come back into D2L. Plus, it's always nice to have backups. Now let's take a look at what the student sees if I use the annotation tools in a D2L Dropbox. So here, a student can see her overall grade report, and for this particular assignment, she can see her score, overall feedback text, and the score is determined how you set up the gradebook. And if she clicks View Inline Feedback, it will take her to the file to see my annotations. If I have not connected this Dropbox to the gradebook, though, then she'll need to go to the Dropbox area. Here, she clicks Unread to the right of Feedback. In this screen, she sees her overall score and any overall feedback I added to the little box on the right when I assessed her work. But if she clicks View Inline Feedback, it will take her back to her file, but in this case it will have all the annotations that I created on the file. She can either view it in this viewer, which is quite similar to the viewer that I have when I added these annotations, but she does not have annotation tools. She can also download and print a copy of this. As the professor, if you are not interested in using these tools, you can turn them off in the Dropbox editor, but you can also just safely ignore them. Turnitin also has similar, if a little more advanced features, so you may wish to investigate those too. In any case, you can make comments, suggestions, or directions directly on or in student-submitted files.